And this is the AC analysis of the simple electric circuit containing linear elements and voltage and current sources. There are three passive elements: inductor, capacitor, and the resistor. And there are two sources: the voltage source and the current source. The frequency of these sources is 50 Hz. Our task is to calculate currents and note voltages. And before we begin, I would like to outline some QuickField specifics. In QuickField, in electric circuit, you should specify the peak values. So here you can see the square root of 2. Second, there is no fixed ground connection in the electric circuit. So you can calculate for each element, you can calculate the electric current passing through the element and the voltage drop between element terminals. And the third specific is that you can solve only coupled field and circuit problems. And the field problem should be of AC or transient magnetic type. So we need to create the fictitious AC magnetic problem with one block in geometry model, but we should not connect this block to electric circuit. So let's start QuickField and create this circuit from the beginning. Here is the QuickField. I will create the new problem. I should specify the problem name and the location of the project. Next, I should specify the problem type. We will perform AC analysis, so I choose the AC magnetics. And here I should specify the frequency, the 50 Hz. To connect the electric circuit to the problem, I should type in the circuit name. Now that's all. Here is the geometry model. As I said, we should create some block, build the mesh in this block, assign some properties, to the block and to the boundary of the block. The block will be simply the air, and the boundary will have zero magnetic potential. So I have the field simulation part ready, and now I can proceed with the circuit part. Here in the circuit editor window, I should draw my schematics. Now I have the inductor, the resistor, and the capacitor. I add the elements and connect them with the wire. Also, I have the current source and the voltage source. So this is the current source and this is the voltage source, and I connect sources to the electric circuit. Now I should assign the values for each element. The current source is 4 amperes. This is the RMS value. I should specify the peak value. So I double click the element and type in the value of the current source. And I repeat this for all other elements. For resistor I type 20. For inductor and for the capacitor 6.3662 times 10 to the minus 4. And that's all. My electric circuit is ready. Let's check again. And I can run the simulation. Save all problem files. Now what you can see now is the field simulation part. I'm not interested in the field simulation part, so I switch to the circuit simulation result. Here you can get the value of the voltage and the current for each element. And you can copy the picture of the electric circuit. You can copy all the calculated values. So this is how you should perform the AC circuit analysis.